all faculty members, and my dear fellow friends. I am Safiya. First, I would love to welcome you all in today's program. We are all gathered here to celebrate the annual function of Jamia Rahbre Banat. Today, I would like to deliver a speech on the topic of dowry, which is a presumption in our society, which has shaken the foundation of life and destroyed some houses, sometimes knowingly, sometimes unknowingly. But not only I, but I'm sure you also believe that dowry system is the greatest curse of the Indian society, demanding cash, jewelry, and costly items of furniture like fridge, television, mobile phones, and other valuable things is still most common in the different parts of India by the bridegroom during a marriage. This system was started in ancient time. During a marriage, the money will be given to the groom so that he can take proper care of his bride. It was the honor of both sides of the family. Nowadays, the dowry system is becoming like a business for some people. The dowry system is becoming a burden for the bride's family. Many times, if the demand is not fulfilled according to the boys, the marriage is abruptly cancelled as a result of this failure. In many places, some brides are not able to give such a valuable things, so girls are harmed by a groom's side. Even it leads to that. India, everyone speaks and protests for the women's rights, and Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao is the slogan of our respectable government. Because of dowry, this is most prevalent and is the among the below poverty line. People used to kill their daughters after they are born or before they are born. In the mother's womb itself, took the gave dowry. However, fail to understand that it is not a daughter's fault, which is being wrongfully punished, but the fault of society that allows such a practice even after so many years of independence. And it is also prohibited in Islam. After the all laws and protests, it is practiced by the people of society. So lastly, I would like to draw your attention toward the education, which can only hold the true power to spread the awareness among the young and old generation of the society. And that saving your money for the tourists, use it for education of their girl child. At the same time, teach your boy child to respect the women in their life, because as a wife, woman is the responsibility of their life. They shouldn't ask any appropriate thing to girls who cannot trouble. The knowledge of deen is equally important as the knowledge of dunya. Thank you.